Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How wild strawberries help with weight loss. Wild strawberries can be a great addition to a weight loss diet. They are low in calories but rich in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer periods and reduces the urge to overeat. They their natural sweetness can also satisfy sugar cravings in a healthy way, preventing the consumption of high-calorie desserts. The high antioxidant content in wild strawberries helps boost metabolism, making it easier for the body to burn fat. Additionally, they support digestion and help regulate blood sugar levels, both of which are important for maintaining a healthy weight. Including wild strawberries in your meals or snacks can make your diet more nutritious and help you achieve your weight loss goals naturally.